I'm retracing Kobe Bryant's final flight, looking for answers. I'm with veteran pilot Philippe Lessard, who has flown this route many times.
We're currently leaving Orange County, retracing the same route that Kobe's flight took. We're currently at 1,000 feet, which is the altitude approved for us by the tower.
Unlike Sunday, weather conditions are ideal.
What would you estimate the visibility is right now?
This is perfect to fly.
Kobe's helicopter followed Interstate 5 north through Los Angeles.
This is the freeway they were using as a guide, a map, if you will. At this point in the flight, they're about 45 miles north of Orange County, circling the area over the LA Zoo for about 10 minutes.
This video shows Kobe's helicopter circling on the fateful flight, the last known video of the doomed chopper. Pilot Ara Zaboyan knew there was bad weather and poor visibility ahead, but chose to continue.
Is there a point, as you look at that route, where you think, I would have turned around earlier?
Yeah, I could have turned around earlier. We could have looked at the weather and say, this is a no-go.
We can see these hills clearly, but on Sunday, they were shrouded in thick fog and low clouds. Air traffic control warned the pilot he was too low to be seen on radar.
2 Echo X-ray, you're still too low level for flight following at this time.
Investigators say as he approached these hills, the pilot suddenly made a steep climb. Months later, the chopper crashed at 176 miles per hour. This startling new image shows how it burst into flames. And this just released video shows federal investigators combing through the wreckage. It's a heartbreaking scene. All that remains is gray ash and twisted metal. The Sikorsky S-76 has a reputation for safety and reliability. Now, all that is left is debris scattered on a hillside.